Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's enter this reset option. And as you can see on the second position, so right in the middle, we've got Reset Network Settings, which is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. And here our device is informing us what it will actually reset, so Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings. And here we've got also the warning that this operation cannot be undone. So if you are ready, tap on Reset Network Settings and wait until you'll see this information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.